Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the fake smile effect on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this effect basically puts a fake smile on your face while showing your teeth. Whether you're sad or confused, it'll show you as smiling. It is quite amazing as at the top you'll see yourself smiling, while at the bottom you'll see yourself as a normal face. So let me show you how to use this. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search and search for fake smile. It should appear in the search results under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now check out how others have used this effect. Most of the users are quite confused on how this effect makes them smile, even though they're not smiling in real life. If you don't see this effect in your search results or TikTok app, then it's still not available for you. You'll need to wait until TikTok makes it available in your region. Now tap on Use this effect to try it out. This effect should work right away. If you keep a straight face or a sad face, you'll see you're smiling at the top window. Now the music is set, so you just need to press record to record your very own TikTok video using the fake smile effect. And that is how to use the fake smile effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.